No More Newbie here. So PlayStation and Discord have joined up, and you can now link your PSN account to your Discord account, and it will come up on your Discord showing you what game you're playing, how long you've been playing it for. It'll show you a profile picture as well, and it'll show you if you're on a PS4 or PS5. So really helpful and really useful. It even shows you if you're editing on Share Factory as well. So when you first go onto your Discord, it comes up with a little option like this saying, do you want to connect your PSN account? And if you click on that, it brings you to this screen here where you can log into your network. If it doesn't come up with that option, then you can go down to user settings at the bottom here and then go up to connections, and that will show you the different accounts that you can link to through Discord. And so click on the PlayStation Network icon, and that takes you back to the screen that we showed you before. So you just put in your email address, password and two-factor authentication, and once you've done that, it comes up with this screen here where you just need to read through it, make sure you are happy with the settings, and then once you are happy, then just click on accept, and then that will accept what you have agreed to and then take you to this screen where it says connected your PlayStation Network account to Discord. So going back to Discord now, we can see that the PSN account has been linked to the Discord, and it shows it right here. And we've got two toggles here that we can turn on or off. One of them is for display on profile, and the other one is display PlayStation Network as your status. So you can turn them on or off. I'm going to leave them both on. And then when we go up here onto our profile, we can click on that and click on profile. And we can see down the bottom here, we have our PlayStation Network account linked up as well. So next step is to start up your PS4 or PS5, load up a game. I've chosen Fortnite, and then I'm going to go back to Discord and just check the settings, and up here it should be showing that we're playing a game of some kind. So it's not. So if that happens for you, all you need to do is go onto your PS4 or PS5 menu and just go straight across to your profile picture, and we need to check that this isn't set as offline. We need it to be set online or as busy. So click on online status and change it to online, and then that is the first thing you need to do. The second thing you need to do is go to your settings, which is right here. So click on settings, and what you want to do is go down to users and accounts, and then click on privacy, and then across to view and customize your privacy settings. And then you just want to keep on scrolling down until it says who can see your online status and what you're currently playing, and you want to click on that, and you want to change that to anyone. Now I've shown you on the PS5, but if you're on PS4, just go to settings, privacy settings, personal info and messaging, online status, and now playing, change to anyone, and then confirm. So now you can see we're back on the Discord, and you can see that it is showing that we have been playing Fortnite and that we've only just started playing. But this will go and it will carry on and show you how long you've been playing for, as long as you've been playing it. So I hope that's been useful. If you're interested in joining my Discord, then do check out the link in the description. Please hit the like button if you found this useful, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks very much for watching, and bye.